One of the things that ModelMuse can do is to import a ModFlow 2005 model. I'm going to do that now. I started ModelMuse and I click Import ModFlow 2005 Model. Click Next. Select the name file for the model. In this case, I'm going to select a model that comes with ModFlow 2005. Click Open. Click OK. It reads the input for the model and imports the model. So now I can visualize the things about the model, such as the top of the model, or I could look at the hydraulic conductivity, or I could look at where general head boundaries are located. Or I could look at where streams are located. All that's pretty nice. Now, if you were to edit the model, this would be a good starting point, but you can run into some problems when you try to edit it. For example, suppose I wanted to refine the grid. Now notice these streams. They're continuous stream channels. Now I'm going to refine the grid. I'm going to subdivide each of the grid cells into 3 rows and 3 columns. And the grid is refined. Let's first of all, let's get rid of all the grid lines or not show them at any rate. Now the stream channels are discontinuous. That is not at all realistic. Now what's going on here? When ModelMuse imported the streams, it only knew that the streams were located at some particular cells. So it created objects, such as the ones we'll see here. You know, that represents a stream channel, but it's the points that were at the center of each of the individual cells making up the stream. Now that we subdivided the cells, that no longer represents a continuous channel. Each of these separate points represents a separate section of the object. Now we can try to join them up into continuous streams like this. We go to the Vertices tab and we uncheck all these new section checkboxes. That means that instead of this being a new section of the object, a new separate point, it'll be a continuation of the line segment starting with the one before. So we do that. Let's turn this off. Turn off displaying the stream segments for a little bit. And we'll just do that one by one. Go to the Vertices tab. And we'll just keep on doing that until we've made them all to be just polylines. And just keep on going. You probably are noticing something already that's still not quite right, and that is that although we've converted these individual objects into polylines, the polylines don't all connect upright. And when we look at the streams segments again, they're better than they were before, but they're still not totally what we want. The streams also don't extend all the way to the edge of the grid. So if you import a model and then refine the grid, you can run into some problems. Thank you.